Welcome to Power Apps Basics. Today's tutorial is all about getting you comfortable inside the Power Apps Studio. When you first open Power Apps, this is what you'll see: the canvas where your app comes to life. This large white area is your canvas. Here's where you add screens, drag in controls, and design your app's layout visually. On the left, you'll find your Screens panel. Think of each screen like a slide in a presentation. You can add, rename, and rearrange them here. On the top is your Insert panel. This is where you grab controls like buttons, text inputs, galleries, all the building blocks. Everything's organized into categories so it's easy to find what you need. Right next to it is the Add Data panel, where you can connect your data to Dataverse, Excel, SharePoint list, etc. Next to it is the New Screen panel. You can create a blank screen or choose from available templates. Let's create a new screen using the list template. Once you click on a control, you'll see the Properties panel here. You can change color, font size, default values, basically, make it your own. Up top, you've got the formula bar, where the magic happens. This is where you write PowerFX formulas to give your controls logic. For example, let's try a formula that sends us to another screen when a button is clicked. On the left panel of Formula Bar, change its value to OnSelect. Then on the Formula Bar, type Navigate, open parenthesis, Screen 1, close parenthesis. Want to see your app in action? Hit the Preview button here. It'll simulate how your users will interact with it. And don't forget to save your app by clicking this button to not let your work go to waste. Finally, click the Publish button on the top right corner so other users can utilize your app. That's it. You've just mastered the layout of Power Apps Studio. Hit like and subscribe for more quick tips, and next up, we'll dive into using labels and text inputs.